Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, we're looking at sanding options we have available for our wood components. All of our wood products are automatically sanded to 150 grit when you place your order. This creates a great surface for finishing regardless of the wood type or the finish you choose. If you have something different in mind for your project, we also offer 2 custom sanding options that can be applied to your items. For instance, we can sand your items to 220 grit. This service has an additional cost. Our customer service team is happy to help you check which items are eligible for this service and apply it to your order. Another option for you is to order an item with no sanding. There is no additional fee for this request. These sanding options are just a few ways that you can customize our products. We also offer custom milling, material, and hardware services. For a completely custom design, submit a free custom quote on our website today. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you'd like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.